Hello guys. So in the series of special integral, we will take the topic special integral of trigonometric forms. And in these trigonometric forms, we have these four types which are included in special integral. Number one is 1 over a plus b cos square x dx. Other integration of 1 over a plus b sin square x. Third one is a cos square x plus b sin square x. And fourth one is 1 over a cos square x plus b sin x cos x plus c sin square x. So these are four formats in trigonometric form in which we discuss the special integral. And the working method of these type of trigonometric questions of a special integral, first we will take a step. So working rule will be step 1. We divide numerator and denominator both by cos square x. This is the commonest step which will be used in these questions. So first is divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Step 2, when we divide with cos square, then numerator becomes 1 over cos square, means we get sec square x dx. So numerator is converted into this form, and the denominator we will try to convert this in terms of 10x. So our denominator should be the function of 10x. It is just like function of 10x. And after this we will take the third step, in which we consider 10x as t. So we have the expression in denominator in terms of 10. So we consider the 10x as t, and on differentiation we get sec square x dx dt. So our numerator will be obtained as the derivative of this. And these given questions in trigonometric form will be converted to a standard form of special integral. Now we can pick all the three formulae, a square plus x square, a square minus x square, and x square minus a square, and according to our question which one will be applied, we will pick that and we integrate that. After integration, answer will be in terms of t. So we use again the substitution. We substitute t as a 10x, and we get the final result in terms of x. So this is the way that trigonometric forms of these four types can be converted into special integral, and then we can integrate easily, right? Now the question is, we are taking the type 1, which is 1 over a plus b cos square x. So we are taking this format. So according to this, we are taking the question dx over 3 plus 2 cos square x. And as we have discussed, the first step will be we divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So right now when we divide this, we get 1 over cos square in numerator and 3 over cos square plus 2 cos square over cos square. Right now cos square will be cancelled out. So in numerator we get sec square x, and this is 3 sec square x plus 2. Right now we will not change the numerator, it is required sec square x, but denominator should be in terms of 10x. So we convert this sec square x in terms of 10 square x according to this trigonometric formula. This is 1 plus 10 square x. So we substitute this 1 plus 10 square x. Now we will multiply. We get 3 plus 3 10 square x and plus 2. So 3 10 square x and this 3 plus 2 becomes 5. So our denominator right now in terms of 10 and numerator in sec square x. And after this conversion we substitute 10x as t. So let 10x as t, and on differentiation we get sec square x dx dt. So the numerator is obtained as dt. We substitute these in this expression. So the denominator will be 3. In place of 10x we put t, so 3t square plus 5, and the numerator becomes dt. So we have this, and on taking 3 as outside the integration as a constant, we get t square plus 5 by 3. But in case if we want to show this in square form, so we will take under root 5 by 3 square, and it is just like a, and this formula is in format of 1 over x square plus a square. So this is the form of a special integral in which we have the result 1 over a tan inverse x over a. So this is the format in which we will write the answer of it. So now it is 1 over 3 1 over a tan inverse t over a. So a is root 5 over 3, so it is 1 over a tan inverse t over a, and this is 1 over 3, and this will be reciprocate 3 over 5 under root, and tan inverse again this is also reciprocate root 3t over 5 root 5, and again we put t as 10x. So this is t, and on putting this value we get this, and right now this is when we cancel root 3 and 3 we get root 3. So root 3 and root 5 becomes root 15. So we get 1 over root 15 tan inverse root 3 tan x over root 5. So this is the answer. Now the next type 2, is 1 over a plus b sin square x dx. So according to this type we are taking the question dx over 1 plus 3 sin square x. And according to our working rule, first we divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. This is an important step. Remember this. So when you divide 1, so we get 1 over cos square x, 1 over cos square x plus 3 sin square over cos square x. This becomes x square x. Again this is x square x, and this is sin square over cos square is tan square x. But our question format should be in numerator should be sec square x, and denominator required in terms of 10, but we have 10 and but this is x square x. So we substitute this, and we know sec square x equals to 1 plus tan square x. So we substitute this on this place 1 plus tan square x, and now we have 1 plus tan square x plus 3 tan square x, that becomes 1 plus 4 tan square x. So the result is this. Right now numerator in terms of x square x and denominator entirely in terms of 10x. After this we assume 10x as t, and on differentiation we get sec square x dx as dt. So we substitute these values and numerator becomes dt, and this 10x as t, so we get 1 plus 4t square, and on taking 4 outside the integration as a constant, so we get 1 over t square plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 we can write as a 1 by 2 square. So it is it is t square plus a square. So this is the format of special integral 1 over x square plus a square. That is, the result is 1 over a tan inverse x over a. It means this is a. Right now a is 1 by 2. So we will take 1 over a tan inverse t over a, and this comes up and we get, there is 2, 1 over 2 tan inverse 2t, and again we put t as a 10x, so it becomes half tan inverse 2 10x. So this is the answer. Now the type third. According to type third, we have a 1 over a sin square x plus b cos square x, and according to this format we are taking the question dx over sin square x minus 4 cos square x. And first step is divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So on dividing 1 in numerator, we get 1 over cos square. This becomes sin square over cos square minus 4 cos square over cos square. So this cos square will be cancelled and this becomes x square x. This is tan square x minus 4. So right now denominator in terms of 10 and numerator in x square x. So right now we can put 10x as t and we get x square x dx as dt. So we put these values in this expression. So x square x dx becomes dt, and this is t square minus 2 square. So according to special integral formula, 1 over x square minus a square is 1 over 2a log x minus a over x plus a. So there is a is 2. So it is 1 over 2a, this is a, and log of t minus 2 over t plus 2. So right now we can put t as 10x. So we get 1 by 4 log 10x minus 2 over 10x plus 2. So this is the answer of type 3 trigonometric special integral. Now the type 4. In type 4 we have the format 1 over a sin square x plus b sin x cos x plus c cos square x. So according to this type we are taking the question 1 over sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x plus 3 cos square x. So right now first we divide by cos square x, so it is 1 over cos square, this is sin square over cos square, and 2 sin x cos x divided by cos square x, and 3 cos square. So now this side cos square will be cancelled out, and this side cos and this square is cancelled. So we get 2 sin x over cos x, that becomes 10x, and this is sin square over cos square. Right now this is tan square x. You can see clearly now the denominator in terms of tan x and numerator in terms of sec square x. Then we can assume tan x as t, and its differentiation is sec square x dx equals to dt. Now we put these in this expression. So numerator becomes dt, and this is t square plus 2t plus 3. Right now we break 3 as 1 plus 2. So if it is 1 plus 2 and we are taking 1 with these, this becomes a whole square, t plus 1 whole square, and this 2 is as a root 2 square. Right now this is t plus 1 whole square plus root 2 square, and again this is the format of tan inverse, and we consider t plus 1 as u, and on differentiation we get dt equals to du. On putting these values, this becomes u square, and this dt as a du. So this is the tan inverse formula in which a is root 2. So 1 over a tan inverse u over a, and what is u? U is t plus 1 and t is tan x. So we can write tan x plus 1 over root 2, and this is our answer.